A school is an institution designed to provide learning spaces and environment conducive for teaching students under the guidance of their gurus, the educators.
He asked, do you study, do you spend for your self-study? Not 3. One who is saying 3 hours is less. Children, your basic need every day is minimum 4 hours. Minimum 4 hours. And that 4 hours. Talking about self-study. I'm not talking about homework. Okay, and I mean it. Writing homework, completing written work is not a part of self-study. Self-study means solving sample papers, last year's question papers, because it is class 10. Your last year question papers solve a lot. A lot of problem is solved. Plus sample papers you pick up. Make your own timetable, your own schedule.
Chaman Vatika Gurukul, a residential school for girls, has maintained the legacy of being a home away from home for its students who hail from various states across the country as well as from abroad. We at Chaman Vatika Gurukul firmly believe that education is the key to unlock the golden door to freedom and constant progress. Education for us is not filling of a pail but the lighting of a fire. The fire that derives each student to give her best in all her endeavors, not only in school exams but also in life. Dedicated to the sacred memory of the great educationist Lala Chaman Lal Ji, the school is spread in an area of 27.5 acres and cocooned in a lush, green, calm and pollution-free environment on the Ambala-Chandigarh highway. The school offers state-of-the-art facilities for curricular and multifarious co-curricular activities. The whole campus is fully air-conditioned, including the school and the hostel. In a world where the safety and security of girls has become a matter of great concern for the parents, Chaman Vatika Gurukul offers the best solution by making it a point that the girls grow up in a safe and secure environment. The school offers spacious and exquisitely furnished dormitories with running hot and cold water for the convenience of the girls. The love and care showered by the matrons and the educators provide the students an atmosphere extremely conducive to their growth and overall development. The girls follow Yogasana followed by Surya Namaskar. This helps them in improving the blood flow in the body and keep them fresh and active throughout the day.
Getting ready for the school. A full nutritious breakfast. And the children are off to the school. Activities at the school begin with morning assembly and prayers.
Havans are performed thrice a week. To keep the present generation grounded with the ages-old traditions of Vedic culture. This helps them to be rooted to the qualities of being honest, sincere, loyal, truthful, willingness to help others, and many more. The academic aspect is based on hand-in-hand development of child's mind and body. Well-qualified and experienced educators shape up the future of the nation in high-tech classrooms equipped with plasma screens, smart boards, and other latest gadgets. Each and every student is given personal attention in order to help the students recognize their abilities and also to bring out the best in them. The methodical teaching and learning process bears the fruit of 100% result in all streams, and also many students make the educators as well as their parents proud of their being distinction holders. Well-equipped laboratories for biology, geography, physics, chemistry, mathematics, and many more inspire the children to explore and experiment. The sophisticated apparatus helps the children in carrying out experiments to aid their learning and develop a scientific bent of mind, make the students voracious learners, and also fuel their curiosity to explore and invent. The school prides itself in offering updated 2 computer labs with latest technology. 1-to-1 policy is followed with around 60 computers in both the labs for hand-in-hand practical classes with theoretical knowledge. The refreshment break. To break the monotony of the day, in morning school hours, the students are served with a glass of milk along with nutritious whole wheat biscuits baked in the school bakery. It gives them a chance to share their views and opinions with their fellows as well as with the educators.
The school has been provided with excellent library facilities managed by a qualified librarian. The library is well stocked with text and reference books, periodicals, journals, magazines, and newspapers. Students are encouraged to cultivate good reading habits and use the library as an important center for learning. Our teaching strategy is to impart education to the best of our efforts so that the students go higher and higher, morally, mentally, and physically.
The students are divided into 4 houses, namely Kalpana Chawla House, Lakshmibai House, Kasturba House, and Sarojini House.
Extracurricular activities are a must for the overall development of a child.
culture and color are the backbone of all Chamanvatikals. Standing true to the testimony is the annual day of the school, which is a grand event held every year.
मैं पूजा करूं या नमाज़ें पढ़ूं अरदासें करूं दिन जीत न पावे चले चलो चले चलो मिट जावे जो टकरावे चले चलो.
It is a galaxy of colorful dances, hair-raising stunts, and thought-providing speeches. Students of outstanding merit in different fields are honored in a beautiful way with pride and prestige.
The lunch break.
It has a big AC dining hall where 550 persons can dine at a time, and also its own bakery to cater to the needs of the students 24 hours.
The Gurukul concept strictly believes in making mind and body both sound. The girls are made to follow strict regime and practice daily physical exercises in form of various sports and games. To name a few: handball, basketball, kabaddi, kho-kho, all athletic track and field events, skating, regular archery practice, and many more. It is not only confined to mere playing, but the teams of our school have won laurels even at national level in handball, archery, athletics, etc. Yearly athletic meet is organized to provide platform to all the students, gearing up their physical skills and stamina.
Swimming in beautiful surroundings. Karate training by international black belts.
A black belt instructor watches the students in judo for self-defense and sharpening of reflexes.
The basics of crafts, needlework, interior decoration.
The school has its own tuck shop, which the children love. The students savor delectable, appetizing, and healthy snacks.
At the time of supervised studies in the evening, teachers are present in the study area to guide the children with their homework and studies.
After Sandhya, the girls move for dinner.
To provide well-balanced, palatable and delicious food under hygienic conditions, the school runs a modern, mechanized kitchen which maintains highest scientific standards.
Similar to morning prayer, the evening Sandhya, that is prayer,
Each and every child is medically examined thoroughly once every 3 months, including eye testing and periodical checkups.
A 10-bedded hospital with a highly qualified doctor and nursing staff in the campus.
The motto, From Innocence to Knowledge, relates to a child's journey in the school. When a child enters the school, she is like a soft clay, ready to be molded into any shape. The school reinforces to shape her such that, in her new world, she has learnt to differentiate between the good and the evil, rational and impulse, scruple and deceit, yet retaining her innocence. The students gather to thank Almighty for all good that had happened and contemplate on any wrong, resolving not to repeat it by saying night prayer.
The topic on which I am going to speak is Gurukul, the second home. Home is where the heart is. My heart is in Chaman Vatika Gurukul. So, Chaman Vatika Gurukul is my second home.